like that pipe on her. Wow, this thing's dope. Alright guys, so today we're gonna work on the Road Glide. Got it in the shop off the truck. It's kind of a pain. Go over some of the damages. It's not looking too bad. Picked up a Harbor Freight little motorcycle jack. So we're gonna put that thing on that so we can move it around. Stuff like that. I haven't got it turned on yet. I'm thinking it's probably a sensor or something, but it seems like it has power. Do that. Just to hear prime there. That's kind of cool. Got power. We just got to get her to turn over. Try to get all this stuff taken apart. Yeah, this is it. Just getting back from LA. We got some new parts that we're gonna put on the Road Glide. Picked up some Speed King bars, Speed King risers. We got the forks. We got a new wheel, front fairing. This thing's coming together. So I just gotta tear down all this stuff and get to it.
Oh, listen to me, bro. What the heck, bro? It's the diner right here. Oh, the one that we were looking at. Did you see this one carrying about to get this thing? I'm gonna take her off. Hell yeah. Oh, my God, see? Oh, I got like this. I buy juice for my friend. I don't know if you got that or if you probably told you. Right in the base and shit. Right in the base. But I got a good deal on it, real good. Oh, shit. 150? Okay. Yeah, those are like 700, I mean. You should have the thing next door, fuck yeah. No, they do it. That's how we do it. What? They'll get me. That's how we do it. Like 125? Okay. Yeah. Yo. Damn. Dude, did he tell you to fucking go to Speed Kings? Yeah, he told me what happened. Dude, isn't that crazy?
You should keep those handguards. Those handguards are sick.
Oh yeah, definitely keep it.
This thing is bent.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, the main stay?
Yeah. Probably tweak it back though.
Where's it back?
See, it's over. Huh?
Oh yeah,
Well, it looked good from just looking at it, but I could tell like it's
take
tweaked.
it off and try to.
Yeah, hammer it a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, so got the Harley pretty tore down. Getting these parts off, getting ready for paint. Alright, so got the bike all tore down. This will probably be the end of this video, and then the next video I'll be putting this stuff in paint. So I'm gonna get the tank painted, I'm gonna get this new fairing painted, the saddlebags painted. I didn't tear this down just because I have the new front end there, and I want to take everything off at once and then just throw the new stuff on and have it done all at once. And this stuff's not really bothering anything. This isn't gonna get painted. I got new bars and new risers, so I'm not really worried about that. I do have to take this fender off of the back, get that ready for paint. And I'm still on the fence about the color. I was gonna go black, but I was thinking do like a Nardo gray color, possibly. So have like the tank, the Nardo gray, have this fender, the front fender, that Nardo gray, and then black forks, black inner fairing, keep that how it is, Nardo gray bags, Nardo gray front fairing, and then the cages. I am going to basically just fix these, because this one's good on this side, it only landed on this side. Just fix this where it's straight. You guys can see how that one's straight and then that one's bent. So just fix that, maybe heat it up, and then like repaint these black. And then this weld broke here, so just basically weld that up, re-powder coat that black, and fix this mount here. So yeah. And funny thing about this bike, yesterday I went to Speed Kings right here in Riverside, and I was picking up the risers, and I showed the guy the picture of the bike, and he was like, "Hey man, I know that bike." And I was like, "Oh really?" He was like, "Yeah, we had just finished the work on that bike." He said they just finished the front end here. They just basically put the suspension in the front end. They just did the suspension in the rear. He said they did some transmission work, and I guess literally leaving their shop, the guy crashed it, and that was it. And it's trippy. It was like, "Yeah, I literally just did the work." And then I showed him the picture. He was like, "Yeah, zoom in on the picture." And he was like, "It has some weird switch thing." And I was like, "Yep." And literally it was a bike. It's kind of funny. But yeah, this is the end of this. I just wanted to let you guys know about that, and Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more of this project. If you don't, you'll still see more of it anyway because it's my channel. So thanks.